Over the last decade, we've seen more and more requirement for reverse engineering of heat exchangers. Customers having issues with supply or needing something that's a little different, something that is not readily available off the shelf. Typically, lead times may be out to 12 months for a new replacement, where we can reverse engineer and manufacture a complete new unit in less than 6 months. Once we've reverse engineered it, to supply from point of order can be less than 6 weeks. This particular cooler here was brought into the country in a machine made overseas, and it's in an application where it was never intended to be used. And as a result, the cooler core here is becoming clogged with debris that then reduces the efficiency of that particular cooler. We've been tasked with redesigning the cooler, so what we are doing is removing that core completely and replacing it with one that has much wider fin spacings, which allows the debris to freely pass through the cooler. We're seeing more and more customer requests for this type of solution where a particular product is not really performing up to the task, or the customer requirement is a little different to what the machine was designed for. And OEM Dynamics are uniquely positioned to be able to provide a solution either through reverse engineering or redesigning of that particular component. So if there's anybody looking for that type of service, reverse engineering, repurposing, redesigning, we'd welcome the opportunity to work with you.